Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're here at Marriott's Newport Coast Villas. This resort, it's huge. It has 700 two-bedroom villas, and we just happen to be staying in one of them. I'm going to take you on a tour of it right after this. Okay, so this is actually unit 3741, so let's head inside and take a look. Okay, so when we first come into the unit here, on my right-hand side, well, it looks like we're going to find the in-room laundry, so great stacked washer and dryer here, and in fact, it actually looks pretty new. It's a Whirlpool. It's one of those kinds that doesn't have an agitator inside, so yeah, looks like a new fancy in-room washer and dryer. And then coming around the corner here, we're going to have the kitchen. So not too big of a kitchen, but still not too bad of a size. You do have a dishwasher, kind of a pretty big sink here. So good, kind of the double sink, looks pretty good. And of course we have oven, stovetop, and a microwave oven. And then over here, well, we do have refrigerator with a freezer, ice maker, kind of got everything that we'll need here in the kitchen. But let's also take a look at what's in the cabinets in here. Kind of just some serving bowls. Up above here, I don't know how you're supposed to get that open. Like it's too close. Maybe there's nothing in there. Maybe I need to reach way up top. Yeah, good thing there's nothing in there because it's not easy to open up. There's no handles on here. You're supposed to, I guess, grab them by the bottom of the cabinet door. There's your glassware. In here probably is going to be dinnerware. For 8 people, so definitely kind of good thing they have enough for 8. And then on your countertop, well, you have your coffee maker, coffee supplies, paper towels, you have a toaster, and then over here, you do have a knife block with a cutting board. Let's see what we got in these drawers. In here, well, looks like just some trivets and some things to put hot pots and pans on. In here, well, there's a salad bowl, and it looks like a kettle back in the back there. And then down below here, well, you do have a blender. Let's just make sure there's nothing underneath the stove here. Nope. Sometimes they'll put a baking sheet in there, but more often than not, they don't. In here, we have some measuring cups. You have a colander. Then maybe we'll get to pots and pans. Yep, there we go. Pots and pans. Kind of another baking dish. And oh, there's a non-stick skillet, and that's where the baking pan is there. And a bunch of additional drawers here. Some cooking utensils, some more cooking utensils, some more cooking utensils, kind of a strainer, cheese grater, spatula, and then, well, that one there is empty. And I know I'm missing one more thing, and that happens to be here. It's where you're going to find your silverware. So yeah, nice little kitchen here. Certainly going to work out perfectly for us. We don't use the kitchen a whole lot, but we do still eat in the room somewhat. So now let's continue into the room a little bit more. Now before we actually take a look at the dining room and living room, we're going to make a turn here to my left, and it's where we're going to find the guest bedroom. Now, unfortunately, in these guest bedrooms at Marriott's Newport Coast Villas, well, they only have a queen size bed. No king size, no 2 queens. But they do kind of have a love seat over here, and I'm pretty sure this does probably pull out into kind of some type of sleeping arrangement. So yeah, you can pull that out, most likely like a full-size bed. So yeah, they do have kind of that sofa in here, big bright red colored lamp, and then that's beside television up on top of a chest of drawers. Let's take a look over here. Looks like they have a small closet. Yep, just a small closet, place to store some stuff. Looks like where you'll find ironing board, and additional pillows and blankets, all kind of for that pull-out sofa. So yeah, just another look at the bed there. They do have a nightstand on each side. This one does have an alarm clock, and well, it does have some exposed USB, and there's some exposed electrical on the lamp here as well. Same kind of over on the other side with that lamp there too. Now let's head in and we'll take a look at the guest bath. So you do have a fairly good sized guest bathroom here, toilet, vanity, big mirror there. Then you do have a tub with a shower, and it looks like, well, they have the pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there on the wall. Yeah, shower here with a tub. If you want to give your kids a bath or take a shower, well, you got just about every option here. And now let's head out here and we'll take a look at the dining room and living room. So you do have kind of 2 stools here up at the bar area for the kitchen, and then dining room table here that seats 6. Chairs don't look like they're too bad. They might be somewhat comfortable, hopefully. Kind of have some neat kind of sculptures here on the wall. And my favorite thing, well, look at that. USB and power right there at the table. So if you're going to be working, maybe you'll have a laptop set up here. It's going to be perfect for just that. Now we'll go in here and take a look at the living room. So it looks like we kind of do have a big long sofa, kind of trying to make it into a chaise with this kind of ottoman thing here. And then kind of nested coffee tables. So you kind of have one short one, one tall one. It looks like they're actually on wheels, so you can kind of wheel them around. Yeah, some kind of neat artwork on the wall there. Decorated actually kind of cute. It's not too bad. Actually much better than I was kind of expecting. And then, well, over here we do have a television on top of a TV stand. Looks like there's just some storage here. No kind of Blu-ray player or anything like that. So kind of been doing away with those Blu-ray players, DVD players. I guess most people bring like their Fire Sticks, their Apple TVs, or they're just watching on their devices. Unfortunately, no ceiling fan here in the living room. Now we do have the patio out here, but we're not going to check out that right now. We're going to go in here and take a look at the master bedroom. You do have big king size bed, a couple of nightstands again, plenty of USB and power over there it looks like. Then over here, well, you do have a television up on top of another chest of drawers. Not really sure what this is. It's got a switch on it. Let's see what that does. Oh, it's a light. That's kind of interesting. Wasn't quite expecting that. I guess we'll leave it on. So here on the bed, it does look like they put kind of your pool towels here in the room. Card says, don't forget your pool towels. So fortunately, it looks like they're providing pool towels in the room still here. Or maybe they always have. I'm not too sure if you own here, if you've been a guest here before. Let me know if that's always kind of how it worked. We much prefer pool towels poolside. And also in here in the master bedroom, well, you're gonna find another ceiling fan. But now we'll go in here into the bathroom. You kind of have a big tub here, no jets, just your garden style tub. And then, well, over here we have a closet. So you have a laundry basket down there. Then up here, well, you do have some additional bedding. So that'll be for that one in the living room probably, because that one also, of course, pulls out into a bed. And then here you have, well, it's your in-room safe. And if you're looking for it sometimes like we are, well, the full-length mirror is on the back of that closet door. Now moving into the bathroom, well, you do have a double vanity here, kind of your makeup and shaving mirror, big mirror there on the wall. And then, well, in here, kind of a water closet slash where the shower is. So you have your toilet there, plenty of towels, and then a shower here. Again, pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Looks like it's actually got two shower heads, one on each side. So that's pretty cool. No shower seat though, unfortunately, I'm noticing in here. So just kind of your standard walk-in shower. Now if you've seen the inside of the unit, we want to go out and take a look at the balcony. So let's see how we get this open. Hopefully it's fairly simple and straightforward. Well, so far so good. And yeah, so out here, just kind of a smallish balcony. You do have 4 chairs and a table. No overhead ceiling fan in here. And oh, it does look like they do have an electrical outlet out here. And then this is why we're really here. It's the view from Marriott's Newport Coast Villas. And looks like ours is actually pretty good. We can see the Pacific Ocean down there, some of the different activities and things to do down here. It looks like they have basketball and some places to sit, and there might be a campfire down there too. So we have a pretty good view and some additional buildings up here at Marriott's Newport Coast Villas. And if you want to see the entire resort, well, I'm going to show you a resort tour, that's for sure. And if you want to see that, well, click on this video right here, coming up next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.